Understanding raised beds. Elevate your gardening game. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's especially popular among gardening enthusiasts: raised beds. Whether you're a green thumb or just starting your gardening journey, understanding this concept will not only enhance your gardening knowledge but also enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's get our hands dirty and explore the world of raised beds together. Raised beds are a type of gardening where the soil is enclosed in a structure, elevating it above the surrounding ground. These structures can be made of various materials, such as wood, stone, or even concrete blocks. The key point is that the soil in these beds is literally raised above ground level. This method offers numerous benefits, including improved soil quality, better drainage, and easier access for planting and maintenance. Gardeners often prefer raised beds because they provide a controlled environment for their plants, away from the challenges of traditional ground-level gardening. In this section, we're going to explore the multiple advantages of using raised beds in gardening. 1. Enhanced soil conditions. Raised beds allow gardeners to fill the structure with their choice of soil, ensuring optimal conditions for plant growth. 2. Improved drainage. Elevated soil means water can drain more efficiently, preventing the common issue of waterlogged roots. 3. Ease of access. The raised design makes it easier to reach your plants, making tasks like planting, weeding, and harvesting more comfortable and less straining on your back. 4. Pest control. Raised beds can be easier to protect from pests, as the elevated structure can be fortified to keep unwanted critters at bay. Creating your own raised bed can be a rewarding DIY project. Here are the basic steps to get you started. 1. Choose the right location. Look for a spot that gets ample sunlight and has good drainage. 2. Select the materials. Decide on the materials for your bed. Wood is a popular choice, but stone or metal can also be used. 3. Construct the bed. Assemble your materials to form a frame. The height can vary, but a common height is about 6 to 12 inches. 4. Prepare the soil. Fill the bed with a mixture of soil and compost, ensuring it's fertile and ready for planting. Raised beds are a fantastic way to enhance your gardening experience, offering numerous benefits like improved soil conditions, better drainage, and ease of access. They provide an excellent opportunity for gardeners to create a controlled, thriving environment for their plants. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of raised beds and inspired you to consider this method in your gardening journey. Happy gardening, and remember, a little bit of soil under your nails is just a small part of the great adventure of learning English and gardening.